Story. Long ago, in a small peaceful village, there lived a boy named Aiden. Aiden was known to be kind-hearted but very poor. He lived with his grandmother in a tiny wooden house near the forest. Every morning, Aiden worked in the fields, helped his grandmother, and always found time to help others. One summer, a wealthy merchant moved into the village. He was proud, selfish, and never helped anyone. He built a huge wall around his garden filled with colorful flowers, juicy fruits, and a sparkling fountain. Children often stood outside his wall, wishing they could see the garden, but he never let anyone in. One day, Aiden saw the merchant shouting at a hungry traveler who had asked for water. Aiden felt sad and whispered, "Kindness costs nothing, why can't he see that?" That night, a terrible storm hit the village. The wind was so strong that many huts were damaged. Aiden's house lost its roof, and the merchant's garden wall broke down. The next morning, everyone saw that the once beautiful garden was ruined. The flowers were crushed, the fruits were scattered, and the fountain was broken. The merchant sat in the middle of the mess, holding his head in his hands. For the first time, he looked helpless. Seeing this, Aiden went to him and said, "Don't worry, we will help you fix it." The merchant was shocked. "Why would you help me? I was never kind to you," he asked. Aiden smiled and said, "Because kindness is not about what others give us, it's about what we choose to give." Touched by Aiden's words, the merchant allowed everyone to enter his garden. The villagers worked together, they replanted the flowers, gathered the fruits, repaired the fountain, and built the wall again. By the end of the week, the garden looked even more beautiful than before. The merchant's heart softened. He realized that the true beauty of the garden came not from the flowers or the fountain, but from the kindness and unity of the villagers. From that day on, the merchant opened his garden to everyone. Children played under the trees, travelers rested by the fountain, and Aiden became the caretaker of the garden. The garden was no longer just a piece of land, it became the heart of the village, a place filled with kindness, joy, and love.